how can Astro Vastu help us during this pandemic situation?
Very good question, Sangeet ji. Because see, first of all, if from a spiritual point of view, we look at this pandemic, why this has happened to humankind, is our some karmic wrong karmas also. So when we try to treat it, it shouldn't be only from a medical or a material aspect. It should be healed on a spiritual aspect also. So when all of my clients plus my followers who are there all over the world, when they ask me a question, what I tell them, I would like to share with our viewers. And see, when I tell them how to protect them, now medicine will come, vaccine will trial and error. It will take time. It's a wrong process. We want something which will protect my followers immediately. So what I tell, switch your gears from that medical point of view to spiritual thing. And our Sanskriti, Indian tradition has given very good capsulated form of knowledge in the form of mantras. So what I would want my viewers to listen to this very carefully is that there are two mantras which they should be doing as a standard prescription during this time. One is the Mahamrutyunjay mantra. It is the mantra of Shivji and it gives lot of protection. If if the person wears Rudraksh along with it, it definitely increases, multiplies the effect of protection that the person is going to get. So, avartan or repetition of Mahamrutyunjay mantra, starting from 11, 21, whatever a person can do, will give lot of protection to people. And secondly, the Gayatri mantra, which is for good health. It should be done along with offering water to Lord Sun, and that also gives Sanmati. First of all, to come out of this situation, what the human race is doing to Mother Earth, इंसान की बुद्धि अच्छी होनी चाहिए, so that a good uh, it gives capacity to think in a right manner as well as good health, because God Son is the giver of good health. So these two mantras are something which people can do on their own, and but businesses are suffering and they want some immediate quick result. So now Vastu astrology takes longer time. We have designed certain products which will give quick impact to people, because people are in despair. They want something immediately to work for them. So something to wear on their body or something to keep with them, like yantras, are some products which are there which can be used and they will get lot of benefit from it, and tangible results can be seen immediately. So such remedies are definitely available in Astro as well as Vast.
Very interesting. So we have good learnings here and very, very interesting insights. I'm sure our friends will benefit. Saurabh, coming to you now. So we have spoken about the trends in home insurance. We have spoken about how Discovery as a platform is enabling insurance. What are the regulatory changes or initiatives that are aiding the growth of penetration in this space? Because regulatory is an important aspect of insurance, right?
Yep.
So what are the changes and the initiatives that are helping you grow the penetration in this space, Saurabh?
So the regulator has been very proactive. We have a regulator in insurance, IRDAI. That's the regulatory body for insurance, and the regulators have been extremely proactive and supporting the industry. One of the younger regulators in the financial services space, and few initiatives that they are doing in the recent time is basically, like the other regulators, they have rolled out a sandbox, and this sandbox is basically allowing experimentation at a quicker pace, which means your technology-led innovation that can be applied for within the sandbox from the industry without and once these applications are approved on a quick speed, the players can actually experiment that with a limited environment. So that's one of the things. So newer products that you will see that will come out, that I was talking about, which are shorter duration products, newer concepts. There is a concept where earlier you couldn't gift insurances to people as an thing, because you had an insurable interest clause. Now, by virtue of this sandbox, there are things, instead of giving Diwali gifts like sweets to your loved ones or your extended family or friends, You can actually go and gift an insurance to someone whom you are not related to, which was not allowed regulatorily otherwise. So there are newer, sweeter forms of innovation that the regulator is kind of pushing and allowing experimentation on, because that's what's needed. So that's one side of it. The other side is try to see it more long term. They're allowing more collaborative approach, right? So if you were to see the banking industry, the securities, SEBI, so RBI, SEBI, IRDA, they are kind of working in collaboration with each other to kind of see how they can come out with a unified solution, and enable that entire ecosystem, from enabling more penetration per se. So that is also kind of working very closely and very well. Third, is they're kind of allowing collaborative work. So partner first. You don't need to kind of, if you are not good in underwriting, you don't need to underwrite. If you are not good in distribution yourself, you don't need to distribute. If you are good in a particular piece, develop that and work through the associations of the others in the ecosystem, so that you can come out very fast. So the regulator has been very, very proactively allowing all of these changes, which is helping the end consumer, as a ripple effect. So that is what we will see, that will change the face of the way insurance has been seen, consumed, and as opposed to what it was in our erstwhile times, where you had your neighboring uncle or an agent who came by and said ki, LIC le lo, as opposed to how it is going to get consumed in the more coming times, and the products that you will see. So that's one of the main things that we believe. And I think one of the big pieces that will come by is working closely with RERA, because there's a regulatory body today. RERA is already kind of making smaller steps towards, making the, Nilesh spoke about extended warranty at homes. It is a matter of time where the other countries are already having mandatory insurances for households as a sector. India will slowly start introducing that. And like how you have motor insurance, which is mandatory, every car or a bike or a scooter which is on the street needs to have insurance, you would have every household that will need to have insurance, which is being occupied and being actively used. So regulation is going to move toward that. It's more like like a little bit of a vision kind of an approach where this could lead to, but it's around the corner.
Very good. Very, very interesting. Nilesh,
Yes,
let's
Sangeet.
talk to Rupi Anapai. How much is it going to cost us for one home inspection, whether it is my apartment, whether it is my bungalow, it is my villa, it's a new home I've taken from a developer, or it's my secondary resale home. So how much what is the cost which is to be incurred by the owner?
It is a very small amount, and particularly it depends on the flat size and cities. And we provide the home inspection for a 1 BHK around 10,000 rupees. When we compare to the investment amount, it is 0.001%. It is a very small amount to protect your
For
single.
1 BHK, 10,000 rupees.
Yeah, 1 BHK 10,000 rupees. For additional beds, we increase the price by 2,000 rupees, like 2 BHK
2,000.
12,000. Yeah.
So
For
actually,
a
peanuts.
yeah, it is a peanuts. It's nothing. When we compare the protection you are getting, it is nothing. It's like 0.001%. It is,
I don't
you
know,
are
sir.
getting.
I'm quickly going to ask Saurabh of the same question what I've asked Nilesh. How much does it cost me to insure a one-bedroom house?
So, I mean, I typically the yardsticks used in insurance is related to the square footage and the reconstruction cost, which basically defines your sum assured. So let's assume that you're a metro city household with say 1,000 square feet, and or 1,000 square feet, your average reconstruction cost would be around 2,000, 2,500 rupees, which basically takes your reconstruction cost to approximately
20 lakhs.
25 lakhs, 20 to 25 lakhs, which is what's your insurable value. And per lakh, your cost is approximately anything between 90 to 100 rupees. So for 20 lakhs, we are just talking about around 2000 rupees,
Very
right?
less.
Right?
Pallavi ji,
Hmm?
how much will it cost me to come to you for a Vastu consultancy of a one bedroom or a two bedroom house?
For one bedroom, it's 10,000 rupees.
So my
And
friend,
it's an online consultation.
online consultation. ठीक है, अभी pandemic चल रहा है. So we are all talking in thousands. You know, we are. It is so. What should I say? Fascinating right now that insurance Vastu. I think we can come out with a package right now with
Yes,
Saurabh
there's a
Bhandari,
great-
Pallavi,
Sangeet ji,
and Nilesh, all three together. SHK Ventures is coming out with a package now. You get a Vastu done, you get your home insurance done, and you get your home inspected.
Yeah,
This
yeah,
is
Excellent idea.
the best
there's
part
a
of our today's
excellent idea.
discussion.
there's a straight case of collaboration, and frankly so, because consumers who have an overlap of all of these anxieties would want to look at these services one way or the other. So why not collaborate?
Yeah, very good. Very,
Yeah,
very
Bhandari ji, I would like to add the
sure.
insurance with my my home inspection
We can
services.
do that. We can do that. We can make it
Yeah,
happen.
because we can combine that thing. That is a like great protection for a home buyer. Complete protection, you can say.
Yeah.
With the
And it is
Mahadeva
for the
14.3, and
most
definitely the
expensive asset that they buy in their lifetime.
And the
Okay,
most
a
right.
house
prized
is
one,
the most expensive thing a person buys.
and most cared for. So
Yes.
So I think, you
So
know, things are going to be changing. That is the reason why we have this panel discussion. And I think we will do this again one or two more times with a different audience. I like to call my developer friends. There's a lot of education required. Even Vastu Pallavi is been for years. I think, if I'm not mistaken, Vastu has the birth is from India itself. But even I have not.
5,000 years.
How many years?
5,000 years old.
But I have not done Vastu myself. So I think Vastu is important. We will again come back to on that again. Nilesh, are you there? Yeah. Nilesh, I
yeah,
want to
yeah, I'm
ask
there.
you a question. In terms of home inspection, when is the right time to go for home inspection? अभी मैंने घर ले लिया है, मेरा 20 साल हो गया है, मेरा भी कोई बेचने का विचार नहीं है. Is there a time for a home inspection? कब कर सकते हैं आप?
मतलब you can, जब भी आपको मतलब पोजीशन मिलता है, during the position, before or immediately after the position, you can do the home inspection, because that is the right time to notify the issue, so that
That is only for builders.
developer or no one will. Yeah, builders property. For resale property, there are more issues, like it is a already used thing, so you want to get a clear idea what I am getting. The civil engineer, plumbing expert, electrical expert who has a advanced instrument like the thermal camera, socket tester, slope meter, and all are the scientific. I'm not giving any other thing. It is all are the scientific way to identify the defect. And what we do, we notify all the issue during the position, and then we give the list of that issue to the customer. And as per the Maharera 14.3, if there is any kind of defect in a property, developer has to rectify all the issues within 30 days and without any additional cost. So over here, the home buyer getting the benefit of getting all the issue replaced during the possession. A second thing, got a proof of if there is any kind of small defect. Like take example, there is a small crack on a door frame, right? So after the uses, that crack might be widened, right? So if that crack get widened after the 6 months, and you go to the developer, then developer will not excuse to say you had damaged this thing, because we already notified that issue during the possession, and you have already have a proof this issue is pre-existing, and you have to rectify that issue as per the Maharera 14.3 clause. That way we are safeguarding your crores of rupees investment. We even if you buy the small apple or something, we always check it uh, at 10 times. But I don't know why people are, when investing crores of rupees in a property, don't go for these kind of services. Because in US, Canada, 95%, I can say 80 to 90% home buyer go for this kind of services, where the construction quality is much superior than us. But in India, which is must required because our quality is not up to the mark. If you don't have a clear idea, if take an example, you take a new home or a resale home, there is a leakage issue in your house. What you are going to do? There is a there are a lot of damages or hidden things, right? So that way, in US, Canada, people doing it by the periodical home inspection too. They do yearly, they check the periodical check, so keep the property value in a proper way,
And
and
it
keep the
also helps
property.
you in property maintenance, right?
Yeah,
आपको
yeah,
पहले ही मालूम पड़
definitely.
जाता है.
Yes,
अच्छा,
yes,
one
yes.
more. I've also gone through your presentation. You have
Yeah,
something when I'm a landlord and I'm renting
yeah,
my house to Saurabh. He's
right,
the licensee and I'm the licensor. Lot of times during the 3-year period or 2-year period, there are a lot of disputes. कि
right.
Saurabh will tell me कि flat हम आपने ऐसा दिया था, मैं बोलूँगा Saurabh flat मैंने ऐसा दिया था. So how does home inspection solve that problem, or it addresses the problem when a licensor is giving the apartment, a licensee is taking the apartment on rent?
Yeah. So basically, this issue happening because people don't notify the condition at a time of move-in. So tenant has always have an excuse. You have don't notify the issue. Don't have any proper report. So what we do at a time of move-in, we check the proper property condition. Please, we check the condition of the inventories, whether it's a sofa or something. And at the time of move out, we check the same thing. If there is any kind of damage, we notify in our report. Even we give the brief estimate, so that without any dispute, there will be the settlement of for any damages, and there is a happy relation between the consultant, tenant, and landlord. That's where you can bring the transparency in whole renting transaction.
Very interesting. Let's come back to Saurabh now. Saurabh, we've spoken about RERA. We have your insurance regulatory. So how do you believe that real estate and insurance, both these sectors, they can work together, and any kind of a cohesiveness which we can bring in between the insurance sector and the real estate sector, because both are regulated now?
Right. So we spoke about how the regulators could, play a role earlier. But if you were to look at players within the industry themselves, there are various components, including what we were just discussing with Nilesh, right? So the ecosystem is ripe with service providers, with the real estate developers, and what needs to come out to be is that the consumers at the end of the value chain need to be getting the solution which comes along as a unified one-stop shop. So which means there needs to be a right amount of collaboration that happens, either at where the construction is happening, or the builders are kind of working very closely with enterprises like ourselves, which basically gives them an option of kind of building in that insurance at the time of purchase, as like the warranty is already included till the time the regulator doesn't make it mandatory. Secondly, allowing them to kind of upgrade that, what we call as powering it up to further, because each household has its own price possessions. So the contents can be powered up on back of that, and that again can be available via technology. So everything is digital today, right? Most of the households in the metros, which we are saying that the top 10-15% households that would be, clicking into this insurance use case first, have access to digital societies. The newer societies are coming in with, interfaces which are connected. So the most of these will be connected households. So it makes it simpler for use cases of these end consumers to be able to kind of purchase and consume these insurances via these mechanisms. So not only at an principal level, where the all these builders who are kind of building their newer apartments or commercial places, can they actually look at it as an association which basically works on paper, but more actually effectively works with the consumers till the end, last mile, which is where we come in very effectively. So how do we enable it to the point whether it comes onto the handhelds of the consumers via these apps, which are these property apps which are available, and it becomes like a toothbrush kind of an environment. So we are kind of working collaboratively, and there is a lot of work to be done here, but the intent has to be initiated, and that's where it started already in the other places, right? If you're going to a supermarket, what's the point of insurance being there? But today there is insurance at a supermarket. So you will see insurances when earlier when you purchase bicycles, you didn't care about your bicycle. But today, you see the number of cycles that are on the street because of pandemic. There is that many insurances are being bought by the
Even
cyclists.
the cost of cycles have gone up, right, John?
Exactly.
You have branded cycles now.
Exactly. So and then you have gadgets. So you have more today, earlier there were policies that were there which did not allow you to select what you can insure in your house. Today, there are policies that allows you to select what you would want to insure in your house. So that is making it more conducive. So I'm only worried about these 5 items in my house because that's what I love and care about. I can insure just those.
You customize.
That's right. So that's the mindset, and that's what's enabled also by the regulator and the product and the so on and so forth. So
Good.
we are making that happen, and that's where it becomes very important to collaborate, because as we said, without a contextual way of consuming insurance and a simplified journey to do so, it's not going to work. So collaboration is the way ahead.
Very good.
Yeah, Sanket ji,
Nilesh wants to say something?
yeah. Even when we met the Gautam Chatterjee, Maharera chairman, regarding formation of the Home Inspection Association of India, so he has clearly mentioned some clause about the property insurance, and there he was talking about the huge opportunity in property insurance. The Bhandarji might be that might give the boost or some kind of idea.
Yeah.
Because when we met, he was like talking about how can we collaborate, or how can we bring both the property insurance and home inspection together under the RERA.
So that
Because
is the reason why I think there is going to be some kind of cohesiveness between the insurance regulator and the real estate and the property regulator, which is RERA.
Yeah.
We're going to come to that. Again, Pallavi, challenging times. People are losing jobs. There are relationship problems because you all are staying in a smaller house, 700-800 square feet. आपकी दौरानी भी साथ में, जेठानी भी साथ में, सास भी साथ में, कुछ नंद भी साथ में. तो दोनों सवाल एक साथ में आपको पूछ रहा हूँ.
सवाल साथ में.
वास्तु कैसे हेल्प करेगा मेरी जॉब की प्रॉब्लम को, because I've lost my job and I'm staying in a joint family, and we have webinars, we have online meetings, बच्चों भी आजकल सब online पढ़ रहे हैं. So how can Vastu and how can the Astro, your consultation help us from a family life, from a professional life, from a job perspective?
Very, very relevant question in today's time, because if space is limited, I recommend people, means I already have clients. I have clients who have entire building as their house, and I have clients who have small apartments also there as their home. So when you use a particular corner in the house, say for northeast for studying, or southwest corner, even if it's a bedroom and you get a small desk place there, you face a correct direction, say for example north or east, and sit there and do your work, you would realize the concentration is more. Okay, whatever that limited number of hours you're going to sit there and do your work, you will be totally focused on your work, and this people need to experience. So I advise people to use these particular zones in the house as per Vastu. And as far as relationships are concerned, okay, and just to add to that, we put something, say for example crystal or pyramid over there, or hang a rudraksh in that area, so that the energy remains purified. Because what is required in today's time is positive energy, to stay positive in spite of whatever the environment is there outside. For that, all these external things help, apart from using the internal energies of that space. This is the answer to your first question, which is what they can do in a limited space of house.
Correct.
Secondly, the relationship. Because what I have observed, even very rich people, I have been a Vastu consultant and astrologer for billionaires. Okay, I have observed that when they come to us, the concern is never money. It is relationship most of the time, because they are very, very successful. Many people are very successful financially, but when it comes to relationship, it requires different skill set to manage that. And our sciences, through stotras, through mantras, through meditation, they empower a person to have better human relationship, because life will be worthwhile and satisfactory only when human relations are good.
Very
And
interesting.
there is nothing to beat astrology in that. I advise certain, see, for harmony between a couple, certain stones or certain crystals give very good results. Say, for example, pink rose that crystal is there, which is good for relationship, and it's not very expensive also. If they have budgets, I advise the real gemstones. When they wear that, the harmony between the couple or between the child and mother or between Derani, Jetani, Saas Bahu, what we typically see on the this thing. See, I'm wearing a Rudraksh, which is Gauri Shankar, which is a joint Rudraksh. It is very, very good for relationship and the harmony in relationship, even between the business partners. See, businesses are also in this situation, there are splits in the businesses also.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
so for business
A lot of
partners also,
symptoms
we
there.
advise these products, and it touches your body. It has to touch your body so that it has impact on your chakras. And it is not only a belief, it is a science, because IIT Kharagpur has included Vastu in their architectural curriculum. There, it had come in the Times of India also. So all these are very, very scientific remedies which can be done immediately, and immediate tangible result can be seen out of it. So in relationship also, Vastu and astrology gives very good result. And one more point to be noted by our viewers is southwest corner is particularly for stability and good relationship. So putting a picture of a person with whom you want a good relationship in that corner gives stability to
In
the
Southwest.
relationship. Yes. So like that, many remedies are there which can be given
Very
to our
interesting.
clients.
We will love to talk about this. And do you have some kind of videos and some kind of brief kind of whatever you call those tips rather?
People can like my YouTube channel, which is Vastu with Pallavi Desai, and my presence is there on Facebook as a Facebook page, Vastu with Pallavi Desai again, and Insta also.
Very
So
good.
I'm there present on all digital media.
Saurabh, you want to share your website so that everybody can, in case anybody would like to get connected to you?
Sure, I'll
It's
do
what,
that.
www dot.
Yeah. Yes, doing it right away.
Yeah, so it's going in the chat. Nilesh, what is your website URL? It's prop check. You're on mute, I guess. Nilesh, you're on mute.
Yeah, my website it's www.propcheckup.com.
Okay,
It's
very
a
good.
prop from the property and checkup from the health checkup.
Okay.
Propcheckup.com.
Nilesh, question to you.
Okay.
I am the owner of the house.
Okay.
I don't want to come to you. Can I do inspection on myself?
So you can try, but there are multiple issues. Like when customer do the home inspection, they found around 5 to 10 issues. But when we do home inspection, we find more than 100 issues. So it's
So
your call
call me.
whether you want to take a risk with your biggest investment, or you want to go with a professional service provider like we. We just do go with the one person where there is a civil engineer, plumbing expert, electrical expert with advanced instrument like thermal camera, socket tester, and all. So it's I can say the home buyer choice, whether they want to take a risk with their property, or they want to go with the professional service provider.
Very good. Very, very interesting. Where it's this is one of the most enjoyable session I've had. We have touching 1 hour. We started at 11 o'clock dot. It's 11:59. It's a 1 hour, very, very interesting discussion. All three are so interconnected. I'm so happy that we have all three of you here. Before we wrap it up, Pallavi, we are just round the corner for Diwali. Saturday is Diwali, the 14th. We are on Sunday. 6, 7 days from now is Diwali. So, will you like to tell all of us, including Saurabh, Nilesh, myself, and our viewers and friends who are watching us live on YouTube, any special the Pallavi Desai is special for Lakshmi Puja?
Yes, there is very.
Sorry, I would just add a question to Sangeetji's question out here. Is what are the hacks that you can or fixes quick fixes for 2020.
हाँ वो तो करेंगे, वो एक पल्लवी के साथ एक सेशन अभी करने वाले हैं. पल्लवी, we go to take some couple sessions. Nilesh, because you are a panelist, you have one question. Saurabh has one question. First, tell us, Pallavi ji, how and what can we do? What is something special? How do we make our Lakshmi Puja very nice?
One tip or one secret I am telling you, that people do only Lakshmi Pujan on Lakshmi Puja day. Whereas doing Kuber Pujan on that day is extremely important because it works in combination. So I am doing a video which I'll be sharing with all my viewers how to perform Lakshmi Pujan. So it is by the name of Lakshmi Pujan. For the best, make this Lakshmi Puja the best puja of your life by doing Lakshmi Pujan with me. That is one thing. Secondly, I'm going to share on my Facebook page what is the samagri, what is the sahitya which is required. And there are certain things. We have made a Lakshmi Puja kit and Muhurat trading kit which is available with us, which can be kept in Lakshmi Puja, and it will attract very quick Lakshmi in your house. So stay tuned with me on my all digital media and you will get a lot of tips about it. But get a Kuber Murti or a Kuber coin before Lakshmi Puja is one very important take from this conversation.
Saurabh Bhandari, your question to Pallavi Desai, free of cost.
No. So thanks for the tip. That was really helpful, the guidance. I was coming from more from the same thing that you were just mentioning about, that there are some things that, frankly speaking, coming from my experience, right? Culture is what gets passed on and what you learn, right? And in the current times, and I'm talking about myself, let me not kind of make this about everybody, but the amount of interest that one takes decides how you see that space, and without knowing, when you do things, it's just doing it for the sake of it, basically. So the guidance here was that what are those things which are important when you are actually performing a puja like a Lakshmi Puja, which needs to be kept in mind, any things that are important to be done, which is not really known to common people who are doing it. Some insights on that would help.
How does Mukesh Ambani do Lakshmi Puja?
Right question.
For that, you need to personally consult me. But Mukesh Bhai is blessed, I think. He's personified.
No, so what Saurabh is asking, very, very good question. So my son is in Singapore. Today in the morning, I told him, do Lakshmi Puja. But I was not able to tell him what to do in Lakshmi Puja. So can you give some tips, बहुत basic tips की लक्ष्मी पूजा में क्या करना चाहिए? कुबेर पूजा, लक्ष्मी पूजा में आपका वीडियो हम देखेंगे. But very briefly, can you tell us what is important?
Three, four big steps that one needs to do, right? It's like that. One, yes. For current generation ke liye, just try.
But they don't know what Lakshmi Puja is all about.
Yeah. See, what is required is 2 coins or 2 frames of Lakshmi ji and Kuber ji is first thing. Secondly, in Prashad, that day Prashad is important of Jaggery and Dhania. Dhana jisko hum bolte hain. Okay, that is the Prashad for this puja, specially kept. And some currency should also be kept because currency is the way we see liquidity coming into the life. And a red cloth is required because if you see Lakshmi ji's murti or the photo, Lakshmi ji is always wearing red sari. So that color red is very, very important that day. And in a particular manner it is placed, and there is Muhurat of the puja, which again I share a daily calendar which you can see. In the evening there is Lakshmi Puja time because that is the time when Lakshmi ji comes home. So it should be done in that particular Muhurat. It once in a year only that Muhurat is there, and one should take the maximum benefit of it and perform this puja. And last but not the least, a lot of devotion for Goddess Lakshmi to come into your life, because what works on the emotional level, on the spiritual level, you can attract anything because you have that part of that goddess or that element is already existing within the person, because it is said half the body is masculine and half is feminine. So what you have within you, you have to attract on this particular day at this particular Muhurat through the means of a particular process, and you will experience that abundance has started flowing into your life.
Is there a separate Muhurat time for residence, home and for office? कि ऐसा कुछ होता है कि घर का टाइम अलग होता है? Because a lot of people, especially in the Marwadi community, they
Hmm.
have this 2 different time. Is that a fact?
There are 3 muhurats usually which are there as per Panchang. So what people do in the evening time, they do it at home, because doing Lakshmi Puja is at home is extremely important on this day. And some people do, like Marwadis, they do the pujan in the office or in their workplace on Dhanteras also. So in Lakshmi Puja, if you want to do it during the afternoon or morning muhurat can be done in the office or workplace, and the evening muhurat has to be at the home. Okay, because ultimately you earn the money so that your family is paid on it and family retains the wealth.
Nilesh, तुमचा काही सवाल आहे काय पल्लवी के?
नहीं
You
नहीं
have
अब
a question?
Pallavi ji, how to increase the awareness about the home inspection? That is is there any puja or something where we can increase the awareness?
So we'll,
Because that
he will do a special puja for that now. We'll do a
So I will give him a special Rudraksh to wear for that, and then you see how how your orders will increase. And we have
yeah,
made some special
definitely.
things. See, there are so many things which are natural, which are not artificial. These are certain vanaspatis, okay? Which
Okay.
if you keep in your tijori, the tijori has to be of lokhand. Tijori pujan भी होता है लक्ष्मी पूजन के दिन. तो उसमें अगर आप ये लक्ष्मी वर्धक चीजें रखते हैं, it attracts, it works like magnet and it attracts. और वो सिंदूर में रखनी होती है या अलग अलग चीजों में, मतलब
बराबर.
नेचुरल ही रहती है। और ये सारा विष्णु पुराण में बताया गया है कि किसमें क्या रखे तो वो पैसे को खींच के लाएगा आपके पास. So we have made such kits in very limited numbers because in pandemic I couldn't acquire. You can definitely keep it on the Muhurat of Lakshmi Puja.
Definitely. I would like to.
निलेश, 1 साल के बाद मिलेंगे. नेक्स्ट ईयर 1 हफ्ते पहले करेंगे, देन वी विल सी किसका कितना वेल्थ बढ़ा है.
Definitely, sir.
So very interesting. It was a fantastic session. Saurabh, Pallavi, and Nilesh. Saurabh, your one very quick parting remarks for our friends, for our viewers, and for all of us. One tip, one parting remark from Saurabh Bhandari.
First of all, thank you for, it was a very interesting session, Pallavi ji, Nilesh, it was amazing. Thank you, Sandeep ji. It was a great, interesting session on a Sunday morning. My one parting remark would be that we've gone through this year. It is for those who have seen the tough parts of this year, and most of us have, first hand, second hand would have seen the tough parts of it. We should use it productively going forward and not repeat the mistakes that we have made in the past and this year. Times will be trying and testing, but let's be more smarter than we have been before. That's what I would want to say. That's just my parting remark.
Very nice. Nilesh, you want to say something for all of us?
Thank you, Sangeet ji, for this great session. And I hope everyone will be happy and taking care of their family members, and more probably their senior people in the house, and wish them a happy New Year.
Very nice.
Happy Diwali.
This is very positive, like Saurabh said, on a Sunday morning, one of the most positive Sunday morning we are having here, just 1 week before Diwali. Pallavi, back to you. You are the soul of today's morning. So you want to say something for all of us?
First of all, thanks to Sangeet Kumar ji, Saurabh and Nilesh, and my best wishes to all our viewers. And one thing which has been my mantra for past 15 years is आपकी दिशा बदली तो आपकी दशा जरूर बदल जाए.
क्या बात है. तो ये आपने दिशा के बारे में बात की, तो आपने डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प को दिशा नहीं बताई थी क्या?
Sorry?
आपने डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प को दिशा नहीं बताई, उसका बेचारे का बहुत दिशा दशा सब खराब हो गया है.
सर वो अपोजिट दिशा, देसाई जी अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में थे, अपोजिट पार्टी में थे वो.
Bad joke. Let's stick to India. Anyway, so wonderful morning. Again, I want to thank Pallavi, Saurabh and Nilesh and all our viewers here. We will be uploading the video on Facebook. It will be on YouTube, and anybody want any requests, I will get you connected to Pallavi, Saurabh and Nilesh. And with this, like to end today's beautiful, wonderful, enlightening session. And hopefully we all collaborate together, and wishing everybody a very happy Diwali. Thank you, Nilesh. Thank you, Saurabh.
Bye, everybody. Thank
Thank
you.
you, thank you, thank you, thank you,
Bye.
everyone.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Bye.